Hello everyone, I'm Matt Pierce and welcome back to the Mk6 GTI. So I got a package in the mail yesterday. As you can see, I got BC Racing BR Series custom coilovers for the Mk6 GTI. And I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing for these today. I'm not actually putting them in today. I don't really have a ton of time, and I actually have to fix these mufflers so that these valve motors I have back here don't scrape on the ground when I lower the car. So no time today to put the coilovers on the car. Alrighty, so let's check out what's inside the box here. So they give us this nice little product warranty check here and some stickers, it looks like. We'll have to check out what's in this later. Nice packaging so far. I really like the packaging. And here they are. This is what you use to adjust the height when the coilovers are on the car. They're like little wrenches. And then these are the dials for the adjustable dampening. Alright, there we go. Here is one of the fronts. Alright, so here you can see the coilover just chilling. If we get up close here, we can see this is the front camber adjustment, which is what I wanted. As I showed you guys in the previous video, the camber on the rears I think is enough so that lowering it won't destroy the rear fenders. But the fronts here don't have as much camber nearly. I'm pretty sure these would just destroy my fenders, so with a little bit more camber in the front, hopefully we can get it to not destroy my fenders. But other than that, here is the coilover, and it looks like it's pretty high quality. The build quality feels nice so far. And here's where we would adjust the dampening. You just put the thing in there and screw it around. I think these little boot things here replace some OEM ones. I'm not sure. I remember reading something about that, because the OEM ones are probably trashed. Here we have ourselves an end link. So unfortunately we don't get any end links for the rear, but we get some for the front, and that's really what matters. The rear spring there. And here is the other rear. This boot looks like it got a little mangled in shipping. So adjustable dampening for the rear, it looks like you just spin this thing around. So pretty interesting. Got the same stuff going on for the other side, same things. So yeah, the rear shocks look nice. The front setup also looks really nice here. So far I am definitely impressed with the quality of the equipment here. And hopefully they will ride really nice, and I'll be able to adjust the camber nicely and the dampening nicely. But yeah, I think that is everything in the box. Shipping was pretty good for this one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So we got our product warranty here. Just, you know, obviously really nice for something like suspension. We got our BC Racing stickers here, which are really nice. I think I like the design that they got going on there. So here we can see all of BC Racing's different suspension models here. I've got the BR series, which just seems like the most typical one. And I think this is an installation guide, possibly. Spring perch installation guide. Nice. BC Racing definitely gets you really set up here with the coilover kit. We'll see how the install goes, but I'm pretty hopeful so far based on this unboxing. Everything looks pretty nice. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.